Let's see how easy it is to customize stitch patterns on the Bernina 990.
We're using the search function to select stitch number 698 from the Geometric Stitches menu. In Edit, with Pattern Repeat, you can program the machine to stop at the end of a programmed number of repeats, up to 99. The machine will stop automatically at the last stitch of the third design. It is easy to change the look of a stitch by mirror imaging. Or use the triple stitch for a heavier effect. This is not available for all stitches. The new Jumbo Stitch allows you to change the size of your stitch patterns up to 500% with stitch recalculation. This helps you to find the perfect size stitch for every project. There is more on the Jumbo Stitch function in a separate video tutorial. When the long stitch is activated, the machine sews only every second stitch. And then directional stitching. Use the multifunction knobs or the touchscreen to move the stitch pattern in any direction. Distortion is another creative tool for decorative stitch patterns. It can be used to stitch in multiple directions, but also it can skew and distort the pattern to create a different texture or look. Use the view to zoom in and out of a stitch. It is also possible to display the stitch in a horizontal position. Or remove the presser foot for a better view. There is also a grid with a center line. You can close the view and the file manager for a full screen view. A newly created stitch can be saved as either a new stitch, or you can make it the new default. We have two functions that can be used for sewing in reverse. With the reverse function, you can sew in reverse without pressing and holding the quick reverse button. Backstepping is a more precise option for decorative stitch patterns. With the standard quick reverse, the securing can look like this. Backstepping ensures that the stitches sewn in reverse are sewn precisely over the stitches that were sewn forward. This allows you to neatly secure decorative stitches.
Bernina, made to create.